Welcome back. This morning we're talking about the future of healthcare being here now. Jupiter Medical Center just got another orthopedic robot. The CORI robotic assisted surgical system is meant to provide enhanced precision and accuracy during joint replacement surgeries. Yeah, Dr. Andrew Noble joining us on the couch from Jupiter Medical Center this morning. We were kind of talking about this robot in the commercial break. You know, explain it to our viewers.
Right. So the CORI system is a handheld robotic system that's innovative in terms of performing robotic surgery for patients to provide a more personalized plan. Knee replacements are evolving in terms of how we're doing them and how we're understanding how the part should be placed. It has a special feature with ligament tensioning. So it goes beyond just how parts are placed, but actually how the ligaments are tensioned. We don't want ligaments to be too tight or too loose, because we want a well-balanced knee, a knee that feels more like your own knee, functions more like your own knee, and this then enables the surgeon then to plan part of this.
And the robot can help you do that.
So the robot helps us do this. So bottom line, we're basically creating, the robot generates a three-dimensional model of the patient's knee in the computer, which then the surgeon uses that information to then precisely place and design how they're going to place the implant parts and sizes before they actually make the cuts. Once we design what we're going to do in the computer and the CORI system, we then use a special handheld burr that removes only the diseased portions of the bone that we've already pre-planned to then get this precise implant placement.
You know, my next question is, what are the benefits to the patients? And then, because you're using a robot, does that mean that people can sort of get back to life more quickly?
That's the goal. So yeah, so because we're doing this without having to do more of a one-size-fits-all, more of a personalized approach for robotic replacement, patients will then have a more customized knee design that then allows them to potentially have a faster recovery, potentially less pain, and a knee that feels more like potentially their own, functions more like their own knee, moves like their own knee. And when we combine this robot with more of the more current day anatomic design knee implants, you'll get better motion. So patients will be able to bend their knee more than potentially the traditional type of implants we've been using.
Amazing.
You know, you're on the cutting edge of this science, but certainly, you know, there are a lot of people at home who don't know everything that's going on here, are thinking, wait a minute, robot, you know, they're thinking Terminator 2 is going to be, you know, like cutting my knee open. I don't want anything to do with a robot anywhere near, you know, my health care. You know, kind of what do you have to say to that?
So I think it's an important point, because some patients do have some intimidation level of thinking, okay, is my surgeon really going to be there doing this? We are there. We're at the bedside. This is a tool in our hands. This provides additional information. As technology evolves, this gives us the additional information and feedback that we need to then place the parts where we need to place them before making the cuts. So we can design it before we do it, and then implement it with a robotic tool that then removes just that portion of bone that we determined in that computer model.
To sort of snowball off of what Matt just asked, you know, I feel like some people at home might be wondering, did you have to go through any other training to be able to use this tool?
Good point. So this does require additional training, of course, because it's a different way of thinking about and approaching the knee than we had done before, because we're basically collecting data, using that information. The special tensioner is a very important part of the CORI that other systems don't have. So having then that digital tension of the ligaments is important in designing how that knee is going to be placed. So there is some additional training and a different way of thinking about how knees are placed when you're doing it.
Well, for, you know, all of our viewers out there, I hope they don't have to see you. Or the CORI system, or the robot. But if they do, that's a really interesting and sort of, you know, state-of-the-art way to really fix their knees.
It's the next level of going towards knee replacement. We're learning more and delivering it in a better fashion.
Incredible.
Amazing. Thank you so much for joining us on the couch.
Thank you.
Well,